Hey everyone, this is Steve from webrockstar.net, and in this video we will explore how to add instructional videos directly in the WooCommerce related WordPress admin pages. Now the WooCommerce plugin is a very powerful and popular WordPress e-commerce plugin, but with that power comes complexity, and website users can benefit from having hand-picked video resources that explains how things work on the different WooCommerce related admin pages. Now I have a few examples set up to show you how this works. Here we have one example giving a step-by-step walkthrough, and we have another video resource here, and on another admin page, if we go into the help tab, we have a video resource on shipping. Now to show you how to make these, we'll go into the help tab post type, and we can choose one at random. Let's choose this walkthrough help tab, and just like many other WordPress posts, we have an area for the title here and the help tab body content, and we can see here we are just embedding a video. WordPress will automatically render YouTube links as an embedded video, but if you would like, you can also add additional text or images, and then to control what admin page this shows up on, you would use the admin screen ID field here. And you would get this admin screen ID using the screen ID tool that's available in the toolbar, and you would just hover over it, and below there's a sublink, and you would click this, and when you click it, it automatically copies that ID to the clipboard, and you would just paste that in the field as so. So if you are a freelancer or web agency, this can greatly reduce the support requests and enhance the overall quality of web products that you make for your clients and customers. If you like it, you could even record a custom video, upload it to YouTube as an unlisted video, and embed it in the help tab, so your clients and customers can have a more customized walkthrough as to how you specifically set up their website and how the various plugins and theme features are intended to work together. Now, this help tab functionality is provided by the Admin Notes WP plugin. This is available for free in the WordPress plugin repository. And one note, if you are searching for this, do a search for Web Rockstar rather than Admin Notes WP, and you should find this plugin listed on the second page. So I hope you find this plugin useful, and thanks for watching.